Hi everyone, welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of thermal engineering. Today, let's talk about something we see every day: heat. It's all around us, influencing our lives in more ways than we often realize. We feel it from the sun, which is our primary source of natural heat and energy. Our ovens, which we use to cook our meals, and even our phones, which can get warm after prolonged use, all generate heat. Managing this heat is super important in lots of areas, from industrial machinery to power plants. Controlling heat is crucial for efficiency and safety. That's where thermal engineering comes in. It's a specialized field dedicated to understanding and managing heat. Think of thermal engineering like controlling how heat moves. It's about directing heat flow to where it's needed and away from where it can cause problems. It's about understanding how heat travels and learning how to manage it well. This involves studying the properties of different materials and how they conduct heat. It's used in designing everything from power plants to refrigerators, ensuring that these systems operate efficiently and safely, making sure things stay at the right temperature. This is vital for the performance and longevity of many devices and systems. Just like we want balance in our bodies, maintaining a balanced temperature is essential for the proper functioning of various systems. Thermal engineering wants balance in temperature. It's about creating equilibrium to ensure everything works smoothly. It's a really cool area that's super important in our world today. From cutting-edge technology to everyday appliances, thermal engineering plays a key role in our modern lives. Now, imagine taking thermal engineering to a whole new level. That's what artificial intelligence, or AI, is doing. AI is like giving a brain to machines, letting them learn and make choices. In thermal engineering, AI is a total game changer. It can look at tons of information about heat flow and find patterns we might miss. This means we can design systems that are smarter, better, and faster. With AI, we're not just controlling heat, we're guessing what it will do and making it work best. It's like having a personal heat manager making sure everything runs smoothly. Let's look at some real-world examples of how artificial intelligence is transforming the technology we use every day. Ever noticed your laptop getting hot when you're working on a big project? This is a common issue many of us face, especially when running heavy software or multiple applications simultaneously. AI is helping design smarter cooling systems that stop it from overheating and keep it working well. These advanced systems can predict when your laptop is about to get too hot and adjust the cooling mechanisms accordingly, ensuring optimal performance. AI is also changing cars. Modern vehicles are becoming more intelligent and efficient thanks to AI integration. Electric cars, for example, need good heat management for their batteries and to run efficiently. Proper thermal management is crucial to maintain battery health and performance.